All right, what's up, everybody? So, look at all my tomatoes. Look, Sungo tomatoes, and this thing here, I forget what I call it, like a little teardropper. Beautiful tomatoes, but let me show you what I love to grow the most. I absolutely love growing cucumbers. Look at this one here. That thing is shooting up. I need to build some more up top to let these things keep growing up. But it is second week of July, third week of July, right at the end. But look at here. Look at that cucumber here. There's another little one growing there. This is really healthy. I'm trying to go through here, not miss any. There's one right there. Let's see. You gotta look up underneath these things because they will hide up underneath all these things. So go down here. There's just sprouts going all over the place. Look right down through here. There's a little one starting down there. There's one that was growing there. It died, so I just went ahead and cut it off. But look at that one. There's one here. Look at that big boy there. There's another little one growing down there. And that thing's growing up big. You look down through here. When I looked earlier, I forget where it was at. One of them was hiding down here from me. Let's see, where did I see it at? Oh, right down through there. You can see it. Look at that little baby right down through there. There we go, focus. We got that one growing. Look at that little bumblebee. Pollinate, baby, pollinate. Thank you. Give me another. Thank you, bumblebee. If you look right there, there's another one growing. This thing's shooting on up to the sky. Big, healthy leaves growing. Look at all of them. Look, there's a little baby one right there. There's one right here. That one there, I think I showed that to you, I'm not sure, but look at that one right there. Like I say, I got fishing line going all the way down. They are grabbed a hold of it, but man, oh man, look at that bad boy right there, thick. I'll probably wind up pulling that one tomorrow, but look at there, there's another one that was hiding on me. Like I say, man, they are doing fantastic. We've been getting a lot of rain here lately in Middle Tennessee. So that natural rain, look at, there's one right there. Yeah, baby. Like I say, I love it, man. I love, like there's another one. Love growing cucumbers. Look, there's one on the backside. We are about to be overrun by cucumbers. I got my Jack B. Little pumpkins growing down through here. I got my corn. Man, there's mosquitoes everywhere. I don't know if you guys can catch that on the camera or not. They are all over the place. We're getting so much rain. All right, but guys, thank you for watching the video. I wanted to make this kind of short and sweet, to the point, because I came out here and checked this after work just now, and I am blown away by just how many cucumbers we are getting in the garden. I absolutely love this. I'll be chopping it up, put them in jars and canning them, pickling them. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think about my garden of cucumbers, my sea of cucumbers. And I will get back in touch with you even more. Appreciate you guys watching. Love you guys. And let me know in the comments what you think and what's your favorite plants to plant. Man, it's coming together. All from seeds, all from seeds. I think I bought one plant from Walmart. The rest of them, I bought seeds. And started them out from little baby seeds all the way to beautiful, fruitful plants. Absolutely love it, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Till next time, love you. And in the words of Coach Place, peace.